2012 Mazda 3, a 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, low tire pressure warning, four-piece floor mat set, four-piece floor mat set. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.